iPhone apps not downloading. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix iPhone apps not downloading. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on your name banner and scroll down and tap on the sign out button. You will be asked to enter your password, so go ahead and enter your password and sign yourself out firstly, and then wait for some time and sign in again. See if the issue was fixed or not. If not, in settings again, tap on the screen time option, and in here go ahead and tap on the content and privacy restrictions option. Now, firstly tap on the Allowed Apps option and make sure all the toggle buttons in here are toggled on. Next, go a step back and tap on the Content Restrictions option. Here, tap on the Apps option and make sure the Allow All option is selected. Go back to settings and scroll down and tap on the App Store option. Here under automatic downloads, make sure the toggle button for app downloads is toggled on, and even after doing all these, if your issue is still not fixed, then slide down from the right side of your screen. You will be led to the control center. Here, go ahead and enable flight mode on your device and then restart your device. Once restarted, disable flight mode again, and by now, your issue should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.